Hello my dear participants. I am recording this video to help some of the participants who are struggling to submit assignment. This will be helpful for you. This will be a guide for you to how to submit the assignment. Okay, let us start. Go to a Google page and log into your Google account. You can find your Google Classroom here. Go to the Google Classroom. Okay, Google Classroom. You can see all your classes which you are signed in already. You can see here there is a workshop. You can also click here to submit assignment. Whatever due you can see here, but I request you to go here. You can see all those things here. You can also go here to see the work, all the work that you are supposed to do, right? All those things you can see in a different place. You can see all the students. Okay, you can see in a different place. You can click here, or you can go to the classwork and see here there is a IR zone analysis link. You see view assignment. You can view the assignment, or here if you click here, the video will be played. Okay, go through the video fully, right? Welcome back, dear participants, to yet another presentation on IR spectra zone analysis. Right, go through the video fully and then come back here, click here. You can see the assignment is opening. I have given some points, key points or guidelines which will be helpful for you to make an analysis in IR spectra. And you can see here this is assignment spectrum 1 is given here. You make a zone analysis as explained in the video lecture. You are expected to find which zones are present and which zones are absent. That means zone 1 is present, or zone 2 is present, zone 3 is absent, and zone 4 is present. Like that you make which zones are present and which zones are absent. And then you analyze which zones are present. If you suppose if you are saying that zone 1 is present, and go explain the zone 1. For example, here zone 1 is present. The analysis of zone 1, right? The possibilities are this 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. This stretching, that stretching, this, right? Usually stretching. You list the possibilities and then you eliminate which are not possible and choose which is correct. And therefore this peak in zone 1 is corresponding to this stretching frequency. You make a comment like that. Similarly, you make analysis of the zone which are present. You don't bother about the zone that are absent. You make an analysis. And collectively, from all the zone analysis of all different zone analysis, collectively from that information, if you are able to predict the structure, well and good. If you are not able to, no problem, that analysis is enough. And then you can also use the molecular formula. You can also use the double bond equivalent and the zone analysis result. You can collectively take all those things and to submit your to predict your molecule. If you are not able to predict, then no issue. Submit the analysis, right? You can see here all the 4 spectrum. You make analysis of each of the spectrum. Then go back in order to submit your assignment. Okay, you click view your assignment, right? You can see here, right? You can see a page like this. You can go here and click here. You may write your answer in a different format. You can type your answer in a Word and save it in your computer, right? That's okay. Or some people are writing in a paper and taking a snapshot. That also fine. You do all those things and attach those files. Save in your desktop or laptop. Attach those files here, right? You go here to upload. Okay, browse here to upload the file, whatever file. Browse and upload that file. You will find a when you will find a button here to upload that file. Okay, upload, then come back here. There will be option to turn in or submit your assignment. Click that and I will get your assignment to me. Right, you can also make some comment, whatever you want to make. You can make your comment or you can make your query in this place. I will get that. And I recommend actually this method. To go to Google, create a Google document. There will be creation of a Google document. Wait for some time until it is created. Then go here and click this document. A document will open here. Right. You type your answer here. Answer for spectrum 1. Answer. Oh, it went to, okay, it went to heading. Right. Type your answer for spectrum 1. Type your answer there. You make which are all present, which zones are absent, what is the analysis for zone 1, zone 2 analysis, zone 3 analysis. You make all the analysis, structure prediction you make, and then go to the second spectrum, do that. All those things you can do here. You need not save here, but you can also click here, turn in. If you click the turn in, I will get the assignment. Or you can come back here to click turn in. Okay, if you click turn in, right, you click here turn in, I will get the assignment in my, I can able to see the assignment. Right, this is how you have to submit your assignment. If you think you have submitted wrongly, you can also unsubmit your assignment, and you can type again, and you can also resubmit your assignment. Right, this is how you have to submit your assignment. Okay, I think I have made it clear. Thank you very much. Try to submit the assignment as soon as possible. Thank you very much.